house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.
How about that mystery bam, 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 when I'm turning a faucet off?
Shaking?
Yeah, it sounds like a whole plumbing system going to jump out of the wall.
Yeah, that can be built to high water pressure. I mean, we've also found that your old fill valves, an old fill valve inside of a toilet, that valve that fills that water up, when that thing can be faulty. And so when that thing slams, it could create a bam, bam, bam in your system. We've also created that down to landscaping.
Irrigation valves.
Irrigation valves.
When it happens at 4:30 in the morning.
Yes.
Right outside your master bedroom headboard.
And the spring sits there and flaps inside an irrigation valve, and it could be creating that and making that, hammer like that. So there's several things
that's really hard on your plumbing system.
That is very hard on you. And if you hear that definitely needs to be checked out and get on that as right away, because it's just creating too much pressure on joints, and you start to get that smacking around in there, it could create leaks. And
they make air hammer relief kind of like the expansion valve on a water heater. You can put it the angle stops at the sinks and the toilets and all that. Yep. But you really ought to address it.
You really
through
ought to
the whole
address
house.
It. Yes, because you haven't lived with it, and then all of a sudden now it becomes an issue. It needs to be addressed.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.